Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making simple and delicious Indian style bread omelette. This is one of those recipes that is quick, satisfying and perfect for busy mornings. For this recipe I'm using my homemade milk bread and honestly it makes this sandwich extra delicious. The bread turns out so soft and flavorful and it's actually our family favorite bread at home. I'll be sharing the milk bread recipe very soon, so stay tuned for that. So let's start by preparing the omelette mixture. In a bowl, I'm cracking 4 eggs. Now I'll add some salt and black pepper for seasoning. Next goes finely chopped onions, which adds a nice crunch and flavor. Then I'm adding fresh coriander leaves for freshness and some green chillies for a little heat. You can adjust the spice level depending on how spicy you like it. Now whisk everything together until the eggs and vegetables are well combined. Now let's move to the pan. I like to lightly toast the bread first. This step really helps prevent the sandwich from becoming soggy later. So I'll toast the slices until they are just lightly crisp on the outside. This small step makes a big difference in the final texture. Now in the same pan, I'll lightly spray some oil. Once the pan is heated, pour the prepared egg mixture into the pan. Immediately place the toasted bread slices on top of the egg mixture. Gently press the bread so it sticks to the egg. Let it cook for a minute until the egg starts setting and looks nearly done. Then carefully flip the whole thing over so the bread comes to the bottom. Now tuck the omelette around the bread to form a sandwich. At this stage, you can make it even more delicious. I like to add a slice of cheese. You can use any cheese you prefer. You can also sprinkle a little chaat masala for extra flavor. Now, fold the bread to form a sandwich. Cook it on all sides for about a minute until the bread becomes nicely golden and the cheese melts inside. And that's it. Our super delicious and simple bread omelette sandwich is ready. This cheesy bread omelette is perfect for breakfast on the go, a quick lunch, or even an evening snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for the homemade milk bread recipe coming very soon. You can top it with mayo, ketchup, or green chutney depending on your taste. The melted cheese, fluffy eggs, and crispy bread make this absolutely irresistible. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you for watching.